All right, and all right. So, mm, just a sip of my coffee before I get started. So here we are, man. Um, we put in that nice shooting star. Let's see where we're looking to open today. Right now, we're flat, and we'll take flat. Flat is okay. So if we open flat at the close, that's a pretty good shooting star. If we open down a little bit, leave a little bit of a gap, that's a real classic, nice shooting star. And that's what we want to see. That's what I want to see. And then look for a push down. And we need a correction, man. Look at this. Look at this. Just way too many days in a row up. And it's obviously having this strange effect on the market because, or the market's performing strangely because of earnings. So I don't know if there's a catalyst to give it a real strong move down, but at least a correction. And really would not surprise me to see a move down around the 60 range. Like 44.60. It's 100 points. That's a nice move, man. That would be a nice move. I wouldn't mind that one bit. Taking a quick look at CNBC and see what's going on. Market's down a little bit. Talking about Robinhood, it's interesting. Robinhood's falling on earnings due to cryptocurrency trading, but I came across an article a week ago where regulators, mainly the SEC, is not looking favorable on payment for order flow, which is something that's been done for years. But it seems like they're constantly taking revenue sources away from the broker dealers, and I think that they're going to hit this payment for order flow policy pretty soon, and that's how Robinhood survives. And the big boys don't want Robinhood around, and it's the big boys who run the industry. NASD or FINRA right now is a self-regulatory organization, which means that the industry is regulating itself. So basically, everybody who sits on the board of FINRA is associated with a large broker dealer, and so they create regulation to squeeze out the smaller guys who have limited sources of revenue. And Robinhood's primary source of revenue is payment for order flow. So they squeeze that, and they squeeze out that that sector or that business model. They squeeze out that business model. They offer a similar platform through their company, and they gather all that market capital. And that's how they make money. And I mean, I've seen it since I've been in the industry. I've watched them do it. And I think that Robinhood might be in for it. It's a ruthless industry. So let's take a quick look at news today. I don't know why this doesn't, or maybe every once in a while I clear my cookies and that's what's doing it. Durable goods today at 8:30. So in about 4 minutes, we'll see durable goods. Should have an effect on the market. We'll keep an eye on it. And tomorrow, GDP, good number. Friday, personal income and personal spending. So you got some market movers out there. But for the most part, I think it's the earnings calendar that's moving the market. You got ADP already out. Beat. Just go through real quick, see if anything. Oh, Boeing. Oh, they're out already. Lost more money than they expected. Oh, I think they took a big hit on a write-off on that that model that they had a problem with throughout prior to the pandemic. And that's like how the airline industry works. They have some in-industry problem, and then there's external factors that follow up right behind. Banks are just outperforming. Oh, General Motors, yeah, super. They were due out. Look at that blow-away number. Nice. Harley. People buying bikes. Numbers good, man. I mean, this inflation is a bitch. But people are making money. Look. You see McDonald's earnings go up. Invest in healthcare. It's a lot of heart attacks on the horizon. Old Dominion Freight Lines, yeah. Shipping companies, they're getting top dollar. No, I don't. Well, anyway, earnings are out there. You still got some companies. We're in the heart of earnings season now, so that's affecting everything. So I'm looking at a lot of red. Tesla's up nicely. So hopefully we get a little pullback. I could use that. So anyway, that's it for the morning wrap. Had a rough night's sleep. Feeling a little groggy, and I'm cold. So everybody take a minute. We got some time before the market opens, about an hour. Definitely recommend everybody does a little meditation. You chill out, be calm, be at peace when you're trading. I'll see you guys at about 9:15, and good luck trading.